Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. The title of this video is that how you can use on the Snapchat, that how you can remove that my AI chatbot agent on the Snapchat. There are a lot of videos, literally a lot of videos on the YouTube and other platforms as well, that how you can remove that my AI chatbot from the chat list. Some people are suggesting that go to the profile setting, and from this gear setting icon, and here you can just remove your uh, AI data from the my privacy and data. But the thing is that there is one more option that's easy to use, and you can easily remove your AI chatbot from your Snapchat. Okay, so in order to remove your chatbot, you can see that on the front, the first chat is with my AI chatbot, and let me show you first. So this is the chat with my AI chatbot, and now I want to remove this chat history, even the chat icon from my chat feed. So how I can I do this? So the thing is that it's very simple and easy to do. You just have to click and hold on this to your chatbot. Okay, and then you will see there are multiple options like manage friendship, avatar settings, chat and notification settings, story settings, privacy settings, location settings. Okay, in manage friendship you can pin the chat. Okay, you can mark this chat as best friend as well. Okay, and in the avatar setting you can just adjust the avatar of your chatbot. But if you want to remove this from your chat feed, you just have to go to the chat and notification settings. Okay, and here you will get 3 to 4 different options like clear from chat feed, unpin conversation if you have already pinned this conversation on the top, or you can also make pin shortcut to the home screen. Okay, so in this video we are going to remove this chatbot from the from the chat list. So I will just click on clear from chat feed. Okay, and now it will give us a prompt like this will clear the conversation from your feed. It will not delete any saved or sent messages in your conversation. So we will click on this clear button. Okay, and it will just delete the chat from the whole. Okay, you can see there, now you can see any option regarding the AI bot. But if you still want to access to this AI chatbot, you can just click on this my AI, and then you will again get an access to the you can get access to the chatbot. So that was all about how you can remove AI chatbot from the video in just a few simple steps. Okay, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment so that we know that you get an idea how you can do it. And please also give a suggestion about the next video, on which topic should be our next video. So I will catch you in the next video as per your comment. Okay, and then we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.